Hi everyone, myself Vamana, and our topic is design and implementations of logical analysis and parsers of mini ATC language. Aim and object to design and implement a logical analysis and for the mini ATC language using automata theory concept object to understand logical analysis and parsing, implement token regressions using regular expressions, design DFS for identifiers and numbers, validate mini ATC programming using CFG, decade syntax errors in input programs. Introductions. Automata theory is used in a compiler design. Automata converts source code into machine code. Logical analysis breaks into tokens, process checks syntax using grammar rules. Mini ATC is a simple language used for learning compiler concepts. Mini ATC language begin. First we should begin and system list and end. Example begin x is equal to 10 semicolon x is equal to 6 end. List analysis theory. First phase of compiler reads programs characters by characters, convert input into tokens, remove space and unnecessary symbols. Decades involved characteristics. Example begin x is equal to 10 and token generator begin x is equal to 10 semicolon. Tokens and rule. Token type description. Example these are the table token and rules table. Regulation expressions tokens identification a to za za to z numbers 0 to 9 keywords begins. Example identifier x var 1 number 125. Finite automate theory. Finite automate is used for pattern recognitions. DFA deterministic finite automate used in a logical analysis to recognize tokens, constant of state, transition, start state and accept state. DFA for identifications rules. Here the DFA diagram is there. Must start with letter, can contain letter and digit. Transactions letter Q1 letter digit and Q1. DFA for numbers rules must contain only digits. Q0. Here the DFA for number table is there. This is the implementations code. First add space round. Code is code replaces. Word is equals to code split. Return empty. Return missing begins. Return begins keep it. ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ. While lens words, if not words, return. If lens is equals to words or return accepted. I is equals to plus 1. Here the output is there. Test cases. Enter mini ATC program. Begins x is equals to 2 we should give and x ends and the valid program is came. Here the output is there. Text axis and constant context free grammar program begin stms list and stms list stms to id expressions to id number. Explanations program starts with begin ends with ends. Statements follows id and expression format. Parsers design theory. Parser is second pass of compiler, receives tokens from logical analysis, check syntax using CFG, detects syntax error, working checks begins and end, validate statement, ensure correct syntax. Conclusion. Successful implementation logical analysis and parser, understand DFA, regular expressions and CFG, learned compiler design basics, validate mini ATC program correctly. Thank you.